Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so it's 9 in the morning. I'm at the bank. I'm running my dad around. I don't know if you can see him in the thing. He's at the ATM. And then I take him to the post office. And then I have to run to my brother's and drop off some money for him. And I'm going to get my mini fridge today. I'm going to get the black one at Walmart. It's like $58, so I have to go to Walmart. Here comes my dad, so quick, hide! Now we're at the U.S. Post Office. It's funny, I checked in on Tumblr and it's like, you haven't been here since August of 2011. Yeah, I stopped using Foursquare for a while. Because, I don't know. Sometimes when I go between phones, I don't use it. Or certain phones don't have enough memory. But this phone I have now, I'm keeping it for a while. That's what I gotta say. I mean, it was really expensive and it's a really good phone. And I can vlog very swiftly and greatly. Yeah, today's video is going to be really long because I'm going to have lots of driving, so I'm going to be bored, so I'm going to be wanting to talk to you guys. And my exciting purchase, I'm going to bring you in the store with me and the first-hand purchase. And that lady's going to the bank. Have fun! Or not the bank, the post office. Do-do-do, just have a party in my car. See what's on the radio. You guys listen to music, but I don't know if you can hear this. Some like rattling, and then if you look, let's see, wait till we pass this car. My ears are like popping. I think it's because I had the windows down and then I rolled them up. And if you look right there, there's a red thing. There must have been a really big bug I hit or something. Yeah, that's weird. Almost, the next exit I have to get off for my brother's. And yeah, this beautiful sky. Pretty nice day. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. I went to sleep at like 3 and got up at like 8. So I'm like dead right now. I've had like 1 soda. I'm running out like no caffeine today. Not good, not good. But I think I found them. They're down here. See, there's the black one and the white one. I just have to pick which color I want because I'm actually not sure. So when I went with the black one, I have to go get stuff to put in it. I should look at blenders. I'm wanting to get a blender. I want one of those like, oh yeah, I was gonna look at juicers. Juicy juicers. It's back down. I'll look at those. Bleh. If you ever go to Walmart, get these. The chicken bacon ranch pinwheel. Like it was $3 and you get, what is it, 6 pinwheels or whatever you want to call them. They're so good. So good. Oh my god. Oh, man. Oh. There was a bee, like right there. Thank goodness I opened the window as fast as I did. Man, why is there a bee in my car? That was scary. Because it was literally like, the bee was literally like inches away from me. Man, that was freaky. Anyway, I'm gonna drive home eating my chicken thingy-majiggers that are really yummy. Yeah. And when we get home, I'll set up my tripod thing, and this time I'll actually do it the right way so you can see. And I'll open the mini fridge, or unbox it, and we'll set her up. I bought some soda to put in it. Of course I had to do that. Yeah. But almost back. It's only 11 o'clock. Normally I'm just waking up now at 11 o'clock. So this is pretty good that I've accomplished pretty much everything I need to do today before I usually even wake up. It's pretty funny. I might end up actually going back to sleep because I am pretty tired. But I have to do the stuff with the mini fridge and that. It comes with a free ice tray. Isn't that so nifty? Things are so nifty. Well, I should have filmed it, but at the Walmart there was a huge soda spill. It was so funny. So funny. Like it was everywhere. Like I wouldn't be surprised if it was like a whole case of soda or something. Like, it was a lot of soda. A lot of pop. I think it's funny how in different places people say different words, like soda, or some people say pop, or like I would say bubbler. Can I go get a bubbler drink? But people from like everywhere else say like water fountain or drinking. Drinking fountain makes sense, but water fountain's that thing that like sprays up water and you put money in. That's a water fountain. The drinking fountain is like, yeah. I don't know, for me, ever since I grew, when I was little, that's what I learned to say was bubbler. Can I go get a bubbler drink? That's what you would say. I don't know why, that's just what I've always said. I hate this when you're going the speed limit and you come up to a car and they're going like way under the actual speed limit and they're trying to pass someone. I don't know how this is gonna work. Better pay attention to this. Okay, so that should be a pretty good angle for the thing. This is the whole, I know you can't really see too well, but this is the whole box. Oh, my phone. Ooh, pretty. I think you were supposed to cut the bottom. Oh. Or go like that. Ooh, it's got like a sandy finish on the front. Ooh, stuff. Crap. It's got that new fridge smell. That's weird. If you look at the bottom, it's got like, I don't know if that's supposed to be there or not, but whatever. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Now I'll just set it up and then show you, because I don't know if I want to put it next to this table or on this table or up there, over there. I don't know where I'm going to put it, so I have to figure that out. Where'd my car go? It's missing. Someone stole my car. No, since my dad's car, like, I think he said with his muffler, but his car is broke. I just remembered I should go check the mail. See, every time I vlog with you guys, I always remember to check the mail. But yeah, he took my car to go to the Fleet Farm and try and find something, because he has to cobble his car together just enough to get it to the place where they're gonna fix it. So he's going to get just a part or something. That way it works. so nice out today. It's like 68. It's funny, there's all these like tourists. That house is like, it says it's for sale, but it's rented out. And there's always people there, always. Then they walk like in the middle of the road there, and they threaten to call the cops when you come driving down the road. Crazy people. We got this generic. Try not to show you what brand it is, but it's like break and bake cookie dough, and you can see part of it's broke off that I ate last night because I eat the cookies. Preheat oven. Okay, so we're gonna make these cookies. They seem like they're not too difficult to make, so I'm gonna try and make them. Okay, so I'm getting ready for work, and okay, that's my left foot. That's my right foot. I pretty much have two different socks on. Like, owie! Stupid cords on the floor. Blah, 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 blah.